The big homie came through by way of Miami and he said, hey man, what do you want to run? I said, what do you want to run? I got everything. He said, no man, what do you want to run? And I said, Arrma everything. 8S, 6S, 4S, 3S, 5th scale, 8th scale, 10th scale, but we left the Groms at home. Bro, this place is massive. My bad, YouTube, but this video technically about nothing. But if you would allow me, let me drop a pro tip on you. If you got multiple RCs in your collection already, simplify your life and use one remote for all of them. Total game changer. My choice is the Spektrum DX5 Pro. Smart technology capable right out the box. Affordable, dependable, and the RC junkies that I know still use them. Hey, but let's take a minute to acknowledge this double backflip that I nailed. Come on, man. An absolute stud of an RC car, the Kraton 8S. This thing is not just stock, it's been modified, of course. I'm rocking the Castle XLX2 with a 2028 can 800 kV. Top performance, cool, fast, and durable. Love it. We can debate in the comments what's your go-to electric 5th scale, but this is mine. And if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Frumble57. Woo! Got him! Ha! What's better than the Arrma Kraton 2-0? This Kraton 8S I bought at a swap meet and I've been working on it ever since. Now this is my dumb dummies moment. I should have left well enough alone. That double backflip was epic, but I wanted more and the car didn't have it. LV cut off in the middle of a backflip. Ah! That thing sounded like a thunderclap, it hit so hard. And this, good people, is what I like to call the walk of shame. I've made it plenty times, enough to know that I need a rope. Sometimes you gotta walk it back. And sometimes you gotta walk it back. Kraton 6S. That sound you hear is cogging. Cogging is due to overgearing. Geared to the moon. Your boy's an idiot. Of course I do. But sometimes fast is so fun. We all been there, man. Need a little help from my friends to get it back to the house. There you go. Feel better about that one?
That was good shit.
That was a good one.
Shit, bro. Yeah. Oh. Woo! Woo! Hold on, one more time. Let me get this shit. That shit was dope as fuck. Yes. What would you do without me on this motherfucker, man? You get home much night. I don't know if I got it. Cause you good at it now.
I told you, it happens to the best of us, even me. So this is day 2 of being out here in this highway that is yet to be. And we're at the craziest standstill of all time. I had the Vorteks out, the Mojave out, and the Kraton EXB. And my guy was filming for me, but he also had his remote to his car in his hand. And yup, you guessed it, he hit the trigger. And now we can't find his car at all. Luckily for us, he has a drone. So he's got the drone airborne, and we're looking from the sky, and we're walking, and we're looking on the ground, and maybe it's next to my Cub in RC heaven. I don't know, but I lost that plane about 2 months ago, and I never got it back. So hopefully we get this RC car back. Wish me luck! You telling me you lost your car, and you losing the drone to find it?
No, I'm not. I'm using it. Yeah, I'm using the drone to find it.
Using the drone to find the car. So what happened? It was over there?
I was recording your car.
I can hear the drone overhead. I walked this whole lot. We still don't see this RC car though. Man, I hope he finds it before somebody else does, because that's a nice car. It's the Kraton 4S. Man, that thing is nice. And it's brand new. My man hadn't used it many times at all. So hopefully we find it before you find it. The hunt is on. Let's go. Lost and found. Lost and found. I recently heard somebody say that there was an EXB killer out there. I don't think so, man. I don't think there's an EXB killer. I don't think there's a killer for the EXB Kraton. I don't think so. I think that's cap. Yeah, that's cap. Hey man, there's a new car out. It costs more than the Kraton costs. And they run around the street saying that that's the killer of the EXB. Hey man, cap. Cap. Kraton EXB has entered the chat. Say it again. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. No idea. Have no idea how the Mojave got this guy stuck in it. Man. I'm telling you, man, there's something to hit. You'll hit it. Every time. Every time. The perfect terrain for the Arrma 6S Mojave. I couldn't have pictured a better place to drive this vehicle. If anybody at Arrma is listening, tell them I said kudos, job well done. This is crazy work. This thing is phenomenal. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch it lift up on 2 wheels. Watch this, watch me kick it. Woo! told you, hey man, you can't even pull the trigger on this thing. It's so freaking badass. Yo, a Mojave is badass. So we're gonna put the Vorteks to work. They're small, but we're gonna have fun with it and show you guys what it's like to have an entry-level RC car. And hopefully we get through it and you guys see enough to go get you one. Yep, go. Nice.